Unit 6, Lesson 5. The two areas of focus we will discuss in this lesson are Venn diagrams and conditional probability. Now these are a little unique compared to everything we've discussed because we're talking about very specific situations, very specific ways of representing information. First and foremost is a Venn diagram. Now a Venn diagram is normally considered a picture, obviously a diagram, and we have three examples right below here. And what it represents is all the relationships between sets, or if you want to call it characteristics, that'd be fine too, or categories even. And you try and look at it, and the Venn diagram shows you very quickly if two or more categories are exclusive or inclusive, which was discussed earlier. Now we know that exclusive means that they have nothing in common, or let's say it this way, they cannot occur at the same time, they do not share traits. In an exclusive scenario, you'd have a Venn diagram that would look like this. There's nothing in common, therefore no overlap. However, these three are all inclusive because they show you visually that some people share common characteristics. So if we look at these pictures, we have on our first Venn diagram this group of people right here. Those three people are in a fall sport and a winter sport, but not a spring. So you can represent that visually. Down here in the second question we have 27 people right here that you can easily say from the graph or from the Venn diagram that they are only doing jazzercise. In our last one, you can pick out these 6 people here and describe them as people that enjoy all 3 types of music. So we have Venn diagrams that are obviously a Venn diagram with circles, but we can also see or look at questions that could be drawn as a Venn diagram. So here we have 28 employees that are high school students. They're all juniors and seniors. And then they say 6 of the 12 seniors are females, 12 of the juniors are males, 1 employee is chosen. What's the probability of selecting a senior or a male? Okay, 2 characteristics, their grade and their gender. So you'd ask yourself, well, if I drew a Venn diagram, are there students that are both a senior and a female? And you would say yes. So there's overlap. So if you graphed it, you would have a situation, and I'm not going to go into great detail here, but you know that you would have overlap for this particular question. Another one is a die is rolled. What's the probability of rolling an even number or a 4? Okay, so here's your probability, even number or a 4. Okay, so if I draw all the even numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or rather all the numbers that you'll get from a die. And then I draw a circle that represents even numbers from a die. We know that, let's do it this way first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And even numbers from a die are 2, 4, and 6. The 4s show up in both sets. So when you draw your Venn diagram, that's what it would look like. So you have an overlap right here that shows that the 2 events you're talking about, even number or a 4, are not exclusive. They're inclusive because you have one number that's represented in both sets. Alright, and this ends Unit 6, Lesson 5, Video 1.